Hello everyone, welcome back Between the Lines series podcast by Suarasa, episode 3.
So today we are going to talk about many young people's enjoy, which is K-pop.
Yes, we are not going to talk about K-pop idol, our favorite group, K-pop group or idols today. Instead, we are going to talk about something good or benefits for us as a young people.
So let's start with the first lesson. I think K-pop can teach us about hard work.
Many K-pop idols have trained for years to become successful. They have practiced singing, dancing, and performing again and again. This shows us that success does not become easily. We should not give up and try over and over.
Another thing we can learn from K-pop is not giving up easily.
So, many K-pop idols have faced many problems and difficult times, but they continue working towards their goals. Yeah, we can also do this in our own way. For example, if we get a low mark in the test, we should not give up. We can learn from our mistake and try to do better next time.
Next, let's talk about teamwork.
So, every member of K-pop idol have different skills and personalities. So they need to work together to give a good performance. Yeah, we also do this in school. Like we work in a group, we have to help each other and respect everyone's ideas, listen to their opinions.
K-pop also can teach us about confidence and creativity.
So K-pop idols express themselves with through music, well, performances, clothes, and dancing. And we also can do this in our way. Like we should not to be afraid to try something new in our life.
Another good thing about K-pop is it can help people learn about Korean culture.
Many fans become interested in the Korean language, food, um, and traditions. Yeah, so we can learn their different cultures and respect people from their different backgrounds.
But of course, we also need to have balance.
We can enjoy K-pop, but we should not forget about our studies, families, friends, and our responsibilities. Exactly, because K-pop is such a happy thing and it gives us inspiration. So we should not makes it takes over our life like an obsession, something like that. Mm.
So, what can we learn from K-pop?
What we can learn from K-pop is creativity, confidence, hard work, and teamwork. Also, we can learn to not giving up, respect other cultures, and believe in ourselves.
So, K-pop is not just music and entertainment.
But we also can learn the good lessons and use it for our daily lives. And you don't have to be a K-pop fan to learn something from it. It can be a person, anyone. Just be yourself.
That's all for today podcast.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.